Page number 180, 158 in NCERT. And the example is the three coordinates of a point, 3 points are given with their coordinates. And the question is whether these are forming a triangle or not. If these are forming a triangle, which kind of triangle are these forming? So let's see how to do. So I think that if these are 3 points, so definitely these will be forming a triangle. Is there any possibility that these are not framing any of the triangle?
Yes,
Every
ma'am.
time
They are not if they are collinear.
If they are
absolutely
collinear.
right. Very good, very good, very good. So if these are collinear, so these will not form a triangle. 100% right. Very good. Excellent. Now, how we'll come to know that whether this is a triangle or these points are collinear? We have done till now only distance formula. With the help of distance formula, how we can conclude that whether it is a triangle or whether it is a whether the points are collinear? So how we can conclude? What property will be telling us that whether it is a triangle or whether it is a collinear point?
Then
Correct.
sum of any two distances should be greater than the third distance.
Should be greater than the third distance. Very good. Very good. In which case, in this case or in that case? In straight line or in case of triangle?
In case of triangle.
In case of triangle. And this property is known by what name? What is the name of this property?
Triangle inequalities.
Absolutely right, Karan. Kranti. So, what is the triangle inequality? The third side, the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. Sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. अगर ऐसा कुछ होगा मतलब क्या हुआ कि the sum of two, if we find the sum of two sides, it would be every time greater than the third side. And what would happen in this case? If the points are collinear, what kind of numbers would be having? What kind of distances we would be having? No idea, or you are not audible to me? When we can say that the points are in straight line if the distances are given to us?
And when either one coordinate is same.
Either one coordinate is same. No, beta. Let us consider this. In this, neither x is same, x is not
Sum
same.
of two sides.
Very good, very good. Sum of two sides. Whose sides? It's not a polygon. Distances you want to say. Hanji, Hanji, speak, speak, speak. You are right, beta. Think. Speak up.
Sum of two sides is equal to the third side.
Very good. We don't say it as side. Two distances. Sum of these two distances will be equal to the third distance. Then it will show that these are in a straight line. These are collinear. Absolutely right. You yourself have concluded this all matter. So let's try to solve this. Very good. 100% right. So very first we will give the name to these points, whatever these points are. So let us consider this A, this be B, and this be C. So very first, everybody fast, AB is equal to, with the help of distance formula. Okay, I'll help for you in one case. So we have done distance formula as distance formula is equal to, what is the distance formula? If two of the coordinates are given to us, x1, y1, x2, y2 are given to us, what would be the distance between them?
May I tell?
X1, Hanji, please, beta.
Ma'am, may I?
Anyone, anyone.
Ma'am, x2 minus x1 bracket whole square plus में y2 minus y1 whole square and bracket whole square.
Very good. And then under the root. Absolutely right. We have to add these. 100% right. We have to use this only. So this is 3. This would be, we have to subtract. It will become plus 2. Whole square in this case. Then plus this 2 and this minus 3. Subtract minus 3, will be getting plus 3 whole
I'm
square.
7.07 approximate.
Very good. This is equal to 5 square plus 5 square under the root. This is equal to 20. Or we can write it as 2 root 5. We'll see up to what?
Not 20, it would be 50.
50. Sorry. Very good. It would be 50. So let's see up to what extent we want this. This would be 50. Let's see
Ma'am,
up to what?
7.07 approximate.
Okay, 7.07 approximately. Now next is, let us consider BC. Find distance BC fast, everyone. B and C. Those who don't know still, they can see here.
Ma'am, root 52.
Okay. Now this is minus 2 plus minus 3 whole square. This is equal to 4 square plus 9 square. This is equal to 6 square. 3 and 3 is 6. Now this would be 36. This is equal to 50, root 52. And its approximately value also I'll see later on. Now A and C.
Approximate, ma'am.
Okay. Approximately value is 7 point.
21, ma'am.
21. Okay. Now वैसे भी डेसिमल के बाद जब आ जाता है तो उसको 21 नहीं कहते, 21 कहते हैं. नाउ AC बताइए बेटा. AC, हाउ टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ AC? 3 minus 2
Ma'am,
square
1.41.
plus plus 2 minus 3 whole square. That is equal to 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Am I right? I think so. Some problem is there. Is it okay? The approximate value of root 2 is 1.414. Now tell me, is it forming a triangle or not? Is it forming a triangle or not? The sides are 7.7, 7.21 and 1.141. हाँ जी बेटा. Is it forming a triangle or not?
Ma'am, it is forming.
Yes.
Because sum of 2 is not equal to the third one. Any the way. The sum of two side is always greater than the third side. तो सबसे बड़ी वाली को हम एक तरफ रख लेते हैं. अगर दोनों छोटे वालों को अगर हम चेक कर रहे हैं वो भी उससे बड़े जा रहे हैं तो ऑब्वियसली जब हम बड़ा डाल देंगे तो वो इससे बड़ा जाएगा ही जाएगा, क्योंकि बड़े के अंदर कुछ ऐड कर रहे हैं ना. अगर मैं इसको चेक करूं और इनका सम चेक करूं तो ऑब्वियसली सम बड़ा ही होगा, क्योंकि इससे बड़ा नंबर यहाँ पड़ा है ना, इससे बड़ा नंबर. तो अपने को क्या करना होता है, बड़े नंबर को एक तरफ रखना होता है और छोटों को ऐड करके देखना होता है. Sum of 2 is greater than the third, therefore it is forming a triangle. What kind of triangle is it forming? Scalene
Right
triangle.
triangle.
Okay, right triangle and scalene triangle also. And right triangle, how you come to know? Very good.
Ma'am, by
हाँ जी.
converse of Pythagoras theorem, ma'am.
Very good.
Angle
The
A will
sides.
be equal to 90. So,
Very
ma'am,
good.
PQR is.
The sides were 52 under the root 2 and under the root 50. So if we will see that square of 52, square of hypotenuse, ये बड़ा ना सबसे, क्या ये इन दोनों के स्क्वायर्स के बराबर है? Square of 50 plus square of 2, is it equal or not? Yes, it is equal. So it means perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So therefore, by the converse of Pythagoras theorem, we can say that it's a kind of right angle triangle. What kind of triangle is this? Scalene right angle triangle. This is your final answer. Any doubt, anybody? एक गलती मत कर देना, बच्चे करते हैं अक्सर. वो कहते हैं हमारे को दे रखा है 50 अंडर द रूट, 52 अंडर द रूट एंड अंडर द रूट 2. तो वो कहते हैं कि इन दोनों को ऐड किया तो ये आ गया. इसका मतलब these are the points, these are the collinear points. Is it so? No. We cannot add 50 and under the root 50 and 2. These are irrational numbers. Yes or no?
Ma'am, it would be like this that we have three collinear points. We have three collinear points on a line. We have 3 points on a line, and ma'am, let us name them A, B, and C. So, ma'am, AB plus BC would be equal to AC. Then they will be collinear.
Very good. वही तो बात कर रही हूँ ना. बच्चे क्या करते हैं? 50 plus 2 is equal to 52. Therefore, yes, these are collinear. क्या उनका ये रिस्पॉन्स ठीक है? उनका क्या ये कहना ठीक है? अगर ठीक है तो बताइए कैसे, अगर गलत है तो बताइए कैसे.
No,
They
ma'am.
are saying that 50 plus 2 is equal to 52. Yes, these are collinear. According to them, it is like this. How do you
No,
justify this?
ma'am, that in that line there are we have 3 points, and ma'am, that point can be anywhere. So first of all, we have to plus AB plus BC so that it can form a line. And on
No,
line,
you are absolutely right, beta. You are absolutely right. But you are not able to understand what I am asking. My question is, बच्चे क्या करते हैं? हमारे पास ये 3 साइड्स आ गई. एक आ गई अपने पास 50 अंडर द रूट, एक आ गई हमारे पास अंडर द रूट 52 और तीसरी आ गई हमारे पास अंडर रूट 2. वो क्या करते हैं? वो कहते हैं दिस 52 इज इक्वल टू 50 प्लस 2. इज इट सो और नॉट? 52 इज इक्वल टू 50
No,
प्लस 2
ma'am.
होता है कि नहीं? 50 प्लस 2 इज नॉट इक्वल टू 52.
Ma'am, that is, but root 50 plus root 2 is not equal to root 52, ma'am.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. और वो क्या कहते हैं? 52 इज इक्वल टू 50 प्लस 2, देयरफॉर इट इज कोलिनियर. अरे इसको थोड़े देखना है अपने को, तो इसको देखना है. एंड दीज आर नॉट इक्वल, so therefore these are not collinear. Absolutely right. Okay, let's go ahead. I hope this example number 1 is clear. Next example, example number 2. What's the statement? Show that the point 1 7 7 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 4 are the vertices of a square. Are the vertices of a square. So very first let us consider and name them as A, B, C, D. So let's see how we can find whether these are square or not. So with the help of, right now we have done only distance formula. So with the help of distance formula, how we can show whether it is a square or not.
Ma'am,
Yes, please, beta.
Distances between all the points should
in
be
this way,
Very good. Very good. AB should be equal to BC is equal to CD should be equal to DA. Absolutely right. Their distance must be equal, and it could be rhombus then. If we have just verified these, that these are
diagonal
Diagonals also, ma'am. AC
Very
should be equal to BD,
ABD
ma'am.
is a right triangle.
very good. Very good. It means we have to find the distance of AC and BD also. So very first we'll be finding AB. Everyone find AB, BC, CD, DA, then AC and BD. Try this. AB is equal to,
root 34.
very good. Okay, root 34. Next,
till dA
Ma'am,
whole are root 34, ma'am.
Okay. Root 34. This is also root 34. This is also root
and ma'am
34.
CD also root 34.
CD. Okay. What about AC?
Root 34 only.
No, ma'am, root 68.
Root 68.
And
Now
ma'am, BD
find
also root 68.
root 68. So these four sides are equal and their diagonals are equal. Therefore, we can say that it's a square. Okay. Yes, bacha. Is it
Yes,
okay? Hanji. Let's go ahead. One more thing you have to ensure, beta. One more thing you have to ensure. चलिए नहीं है वो तो नहीं है वो इसमें नहीं है वैसे हम आगे बताएंगे आपको. Now let's consider example. Next example, that is example number 3. Example number 3, in the figure 7.6, show that the arrangement of the desks in the classroom, Ashima, Bharti and Camella are sitting at A31, B64, C86 respectively. What do you think? Are they sitting in a line? Give reason to support your answer. Are these sitting in a line? It means we have to check whether these 3 points are collinear or not.
Yes, ma'am.
So how we can?
And
Hanji
may I
beta.
tell?
Yes, please.
ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, anyone.
If
Ma'am, may
the distance between AB and plus may distance between BC is equals to AC, so they are sitting in a line.
Very good, very good. It means we are supposed to find these 3 distances AB, BC and AC. Fast. AB is equal to fast.
ma'am, 3 root 2.
3 root. I'm 3 root 2.
Okay, 3 root 2.
And ma'am, BC is 2 root 2.
2 root 2. And AC
5
5
root 2.
root 2.
5 root 2.
5 root 2. And now sum of these two is equal to 5 root 2. So we can write AB plus BC is equal to AC. Here AB plus BC is equal to AC. This implies ABC are collinear points. This is our answer. Hence justified. Hanji, need of explanation more and more? Is it clear?
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Hanji beta, you ask, please ask.
Ma'am, this can also form triangle, ma'am, by triangle inequalities.
Triangle inequality. How beta?
Ma'am,
Sum of
because
two sides. Hanji.
wait a minute.
Hanji, please check.
Yes, ma'am, equally.
Could this be a triangle? What are you saying right now, bete? Krantivir?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Clear means let's go ahead. Now, example number 4. Example number 4 on page number 160. Find the relation between x and y such that the points xy is equidistant from the points 7,1 and the point 3,5. The point P is equidistant from these 2 points. We are supposed to find the relation. What is the meaning of relation in terms of mathematics? That is equation. We have to establish a relation. So means we have to find the equation to find the point xy so that A and B, it is equidistant from point A as well as from point B. So how we can
Ma'am, may
find?
I put some what I
Please,
know?
please, beta.
Ma'am, we can name the point that x and y as P and
Okay,
A we are having and B we are having. So
okay,
it is equidistant. So we can put PA equals PB, and
very good.
we can find x and y, and we can find that relation between them.
Very good. Absolutely right. Try to find it. We have PA is equal to PB. So very first everyone try to find PA. What would be the PA? PA is equal to under the root of 7 minus x whole square plus 11 minus y whole square. Next is PB. PB is equal to under the root of 3 minus x whole square plus 5 minus y whole square. But it is given to us as equal. Therefore, we can write 7 minus x whole square plus 11 minus y whole square under the root is equal to 3 minus x whole square plus 5 minus y whole square. So this under root cancels with under root, or we can write squaring both sides. Now open it. 7 square 49, a minus b whole square. With the help of identity we are opening this, plus x
Ma'am, x
square
minus y equal to 2.
minus 14x, very good, 121 plus y square minus 22y is equal to 9 plus x square minus 6x plus 25 plus y square minus 10y. Now y squares cancels with y square, x squares cancels with x square. Now shift the terms, you will be getting the relation. Fast, tell me what would be the relation. Very first we are shifting x here, we will be getting 8x. Then y here, we will be getting plus 12y. When it will go here plus, so plus minus, you have to solve it. Now when these will go that side, so what will be having? Hanji, 121, 49, 170. Here we are having with 34. No response. 170, 34. 136. This is positive. When it will go here, it will become negative. Am I right? My calculation is right or wrong? Now these are divisible by 4. So we can divide by 4. We'll be getting 2x plus 3y. Divide this by also 4. So we'll be getting 34 is equal to 0. This is the relation. Is it okay, beta? No, it's not okay. Some mistake is there. Try to find the mistake. Okay, it was not 11, it was 1 only. We have taken it as 11, it is 1 only. So we have to make here corrections. Wherever we have used, so we have to erase it. This is 1 and this would be only 2. It's not 11, this is 1 only. Am I audible, beta? You are not responding.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. 1 y square minus 2 of y. Just find the corrections. We'll be doing the corrections. Any other mistake you may check. Otherwise, we won't get again the same right answer. Hanji. Now, X terms, there is no change in X terms. So we'll get 8x only. And what about y's? 2y and 10y. When it will go there, they will be getting minus 8y. And when it will go there, so it will be 50. 50 जब इधर जाएगा तो 25 से 50 हो गया minus 50 minus 59. 45 minus 9. 25 minus 9, 16. So 50 here minus 16 is equal to 0. This will be giving us, divide the whole equation by 8, we'll be getting x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is your answer. Is it okay now? Yes, it is okay now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we want to discuss something about this question. I want to discuss something about this question. See, geometrically, if we have 2 points, A and B, what are the points? There would be only one point which is equidistant from these points, or many points would be there?
Ma'am, once repeat.
Hanji, my question is, let us consider these are 2 points. Let us consider this is 7, 1. And another is 3, 4. I think it was 3, 4, no? 3, 5. Let us consider this is 3, 5. Our question was to find the relation between the point which is equidistant from these points A and B. Now I'm asking, if let us consider we join this, we'll be getting a line segment. Then a point whose coordinates are x and y, which is equidistant from A as well as from B, which is equidistant from A and B. Now tell me what kind of it would be a single point, it would be 5 points, 10 points, infinite many points, where these would be located.
2 points, ma'am.
2
Ma'am,
points.
yes.
Very good, very good. Okay. So what are these
And-
points? कहाँ होंगे वो points? शाबाश.
And they will be collinear, ma'am, falling perpendicular.
Perpendicular, collinear. कहाँ होंगे? थोड़ा सा
Three,
idea
ma'am.
अगर आप 3 points would be there. शाबाश. तो कहाँ होंगे? थोड़ा सा एक बारी idea दोगे?
One in the middle of this line
One
segment.
is very good, very good. This point M is equidistant from A also and from B also. Very good. And then second,
No, ma'am. Definitely many.
Hanji, anybody else? Only one point they are saying. Any other? Those who were saying 2 points. Where is the
Ma'am,
second point?
infinitely many, ma'am.
Infinitely many.
Infinite.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Where are those infinitely many points?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
here
above these,
below
ma'am.
perpendicular. Above and below.
Perpendicular, absolutely right. Perpendicular bisector of line segment joining AB, 100% right. And this is the line which is, and this type of part we have done in class 9th also. Perpendicular bisector contains the points which is equidistant from this and this. While doing construction, when the perimeter of a triangle is given to us, we were using perpendicular. Why? Because we want, in that case, these distances must be equal. तो वहां हम यूज करते थे इसको. So absolutely right. In case of this, these would be equal. Okay, explain me once again why, how we can say that these would be equal with the help of congruency. Please try correspondency.
SAS.
SAS. This is common middle point and this is 90 degree. Absolutely right. Therefore, hypotenuse would be equal. These distances would be equal. 100% right. So it would be a line. So if you are going to just see, you want to rewatch, revisit your answer. What is this answer? What is this answer? The answer is x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is an equation of what? It's a linear equation.
Yes, ma'am.
In 2 variables. What kind of graph it would have? linear equation in two variables, what kind of graph it would have? Here also in third chapter we have done linear
Straight
equation.
line.
Very good. Straight line.
Parallel,
So
ma'am.
straight line only, beta. Straight line. So we have got the equation of this line actually. Any of the point which is lying on this equation, which will satisfy this equation, will lie on this line. And any point which is lying on this line will satisfy this equation. And it would be equidistant from A and B. This only I wanted to conclude. Thank you.